Hello everybody and welcome to another edition of Drew's Food Reviews. Today I've got another episode of Search for Snacks. Now, caught this one, I know it's after Christmas time, but it's certainly a holiday season. I found this online and it's a limited time only. So if you hurry, maybe you can find it. This is by Blue Diamond. Blue Diamond Almonds. A lot of different things out there. And this one, now hold on to your seats folks. I know they've had weird flavors, but this is Blue Diamond Almonds. It's peppermint cocoa in an almond. I did try the sriracha and the ghost pepper and some of those other ones, but these are, it says naughty and nice addition peppermint cocoa, 164, 1 ounce, about 28 nuts. So, all right, pop this one open, and I gotta be nuts, but thanks. Okay, coated that peppermint cocoa, and I guess they're roasted almonds. Yes, there you go. All right, here we go. Savory, but sweet from the peppermint cocoa. Tastes like a candy cane. You do get a little bit of that. Mostly I'm getting the almond though. They're fairly well coated. They have like a shell to them. Focus. All right, there we go. Can taste the flavor. Not real super strong, but it still is there. Okay. Yeah, I can taste it. The almonds are really good, but very light on that peppermint and cocoa. It's a hint of it. It's there. It's not overwhelming. It doesn't kick you in the face. Not bad. So this is like a one and done. Interesting to try, but wouldn't be my go-to regular snack. So for Blue Diamond Peppermint Cocoa Almonds, 7 out of 11. They're good as far as almonds go, but didn't really knock me out. The flavor is there, but it's very subtle. Nice little coating. It's not salty at all. Get a little hint of the cocoa and the mint. Perhaps it would be good with chocolate milk or something like that to kind of help it up. But peppermint and cocoa, not bad. Interesting combination on almonds and something interesting to try. So if you can find them, pick them up. Maybe they're still in the store. They might be on closeout. I happen to find them online. So you can give them a try as well. So there you go, guys. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the notification bell over here. That way you won't miss any future content. Or if I do go live, you won't miss the fun. So until next time, Drew's Food Reviews, when I'll be trying something new and nutty for you. I am gonna put these aside and figure them out. Maybe I'll put them with pretzels or something. So until next time, guys, I'll talk to you later.